Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix no sound driver on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, go to your desktop and click on the search bar. From here, search for Sound Settings and open it. Once the Sound Settings window opens, go to All Sound Devices. Here you will see both output and input devices. Click on your default output device and make sure the volume level is set to 100%. After doing this, check Roblox again to see if the sound driver is working properly. If the sound is still not working, the next thing you need to do is check for driver updates. Go to the upper right corner of the Sound Settings window and click on Check for Driver Updates. Then click Check for Updates and allow Windows to scan. If any updates are available, install them and restart your computer once the update is complete. If the issue still persists, open the search bar again and type Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Now right-click each audio device one by one, select Update Driver, and click on this option to update to your driver. Make sure you update all the devices listed in this section. After that, scroll down and find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Expand it and update every driver listed there as well using the same method. Once everything is updated, restart your computer, launch Roblox again, and the no sound driver issue should now be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix no sound driver on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.